Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel.
Have you ever scanned a document and saved it on your computer?
Only to realize it's not actually a proper PDF.
Sometimes it's just a photo or a scanned file that needs to be converted into a PDF for sharing or storing. So how do you quickly convert a scanned document into a PDF? In this video, I'll show you two simple methods. Let's start with the easiest method, using Microsoft Word.
Open Word and create a blank document. Then drag and drop your scanned file into Word.
Change the image layout option to in front of text so you can freely resize the image. Next, go to File, click Export, and choose PDF as the output format. Just like that, your scanned file is now a PDF. But here's something you might notice. Even though you now have a PDF, the content inside is completely locked and can't be edited.
That's because your document is still essentially an image. So if you want to do more with it, this is where OCR comes in. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. It's a technology that scans the text inside images or scanned documents and converts it into real, recognizable text. Now, let's look at a more powerful method using PDNob PDF Editor. The free download link is in the description. Open the program and click the plus icon, then select Convert to PDF and import your scanned document. At the top, you'll find a Perform OCR option. Click it. Click Yes to save your PDF. Next, choose the document language and hit Perform OCR to begin the conversion. In just a few seconds, the scanned content is converted into an editable document. Now you can edit any text, fix typos, copy and paste content, and add or delete text as needed. Finally, go to File, click Save As, select your save location, click Save, and now your PDF is ready to use. If you just need a quick PDF, Microsoft Word works fine. But if you want more accurate results and a fully editable document, PDNob with OCR is a much better choice. It turns scanned files into truly editable content so you can make changes easily. If this video helped you convert scanned documents into PDF and make them editable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.